DevOps. Really interesting term in today's times. When you hear the word DevOps, the basic implementation thinks about get a bunch of developers, get a bunch of operations engineers, bring them together, voila, you got your DevOps team. But if this is so simple, then why do we have organizations having a hard time creating those DevOps teams? Why do we need to go into an IC Agile Certified Professional Fundamentals of DevOps course, which lasts 3 full days? And the answer to that is, we're talking about a transformation. We're talking about creating a DevOps team and not just getting operations engineers and development engineers and testing engineers working together. What we're really trying to create is a culture of dev and ops working collaboratively, using team facilitation, using team collaboration to create a self-managing, self-organizing team to deliver value, to deliver products which allow us to get our deliverables in front of our customers. The Fundamentals of DevOps course is heavily focused towards leaders, change agents, stakeholders who are interested in bringing the DevOps journey, the DevOps mindset to their enterprise. The DevOps journey starts with discussing continuous integration, dwells down more into continuous deployment techniques, and finally, we're able to create a pipeline of continuous delivery of business value throughout the enterprise. The course also focuses on what do you do as a change agent? What do you do as a leader within this space in bringing dev and operations together? What the course also focuses on is to talk about how do you create a lean startup enterprise? How do you really work within the constructs allowing you to minimize waste? The course consists of numerous case studies which shares with you the different challenges large organizations faced and how you are able to utilize some of their experiences towards your particular organizations. Strongly recommend you to come start your DevOps transformation journey with us, and we are here to help you. Thank you.